Let's make this little elephant family for a good cause. After putting the pattern on the piece of wood, I head to the scroll saw. And realized pretty quickly that the scroll saw was probably not going to be the right tool for this job. The cherry wood I'm using is about 1.5 inches thick. So I tried to change blades. That still was very slow going. It was at this point I decided I'm going to move this project to the bandsaw. So I decided to go ahead and try to cut in the little feet on the scroll saw, but even that was hard to do. So I moved to the bandsaw after putting a 3/16 blade in my bandsaw, and this was much better. I knew it would require a little bit more sanding, but I was able to cut everything out in about 5 minutes as opposed to the 1.5 hours it would have taken on the scroll saw. After getting everything cut out, I head to my workbench to drill for the eyes, and there you see I used a brad point bit to mark the center. Next I sanded them, but I'm not going to make you sit and watch that. And of course, being a Steve Ramsey inspired project, they were finished with some spray lacquer. This is my submission for Maker's Care 2016, sponsored by Steve Ramsey at Woodworking for Mere Mortals and sponsored by Microjig. They will each donate $5 to the Make-A-Wish Foundation for each animal-themed project submitted. I'll put a link in the description for more information. And as always, thanks for watching.